రచ్చాడుకోగా రాయాల్లో సాంగా ఊళ్ళోకి వచ్చాడో పెద్ద పులిలాగా రచ్చాడుకోగా రాయాల్లో సాంగా ఊళ్ళోకి వచ్చాడో పెద్ద పులిలాగా చేయకుండా చూసే దూరంగా మర్యాద పోకుండా తిరిగొచ్చే వేగా గట్టా నడిచి వచ్చి గేటులని దాటుకొస్తే గిట్ట దడలు పుట్టి దమ్ముగా మారే స్లీవు మడత పెట్టి కాలరగా రేసుకొస్తూ చూలు విదిలిస్తే జుమ్ము జుమ్మారే మరణం ఆసు మరణం డఫు తరుణం అతడి పేరే మనకు శరణం ఆసు మరణం డఫు తరుణం స్టెప్పులేసే కిరణం రచ్చాడుకోగా రాయాలో సాంగా ఊళ్ళోకి వచ్చాడో పెద్ద పులిలాగా
Together, we will be your host celebration. Today is all about new beginnings, new friendships, and unforgettable memories. So let us make this afternoon exciting and memorable for everyone.
Now, let us welcome Jasmine to welcome speech. New faces, big dreams, and a bright journey. Welcome to the family. A very good afternoon to Reverend Sister Hindu, Principal, Reverend Sister Christy, College Correspondent, Reverend Sister Angela, the Vice Principal, Father Family, and respected teachers, and most
foundation. We now invite our esteemed dignitaries to light the ceremonial lamp, symbolizing the dispelling of darkness and the beginning of a bright and successful journey.
With great respect, I invite our beloved principal, Reverend Sister, our respected correspondent, Reverend Sister Christine, and our Reverend Father Surya, and our dear Sister Angela, and honored faculty member Miss Savitri to kindly come forward and light the ceremonial lamp.
I also request our esteemed students, Yogesh Dr. and Ajay to join the
Now it's time to lift up our moods by playing some games.
Let us welcome Ashita and Varun to conduct the games.
Welcome to everyone present here. We are conducting games for first year girls. Any government girls come.
Okay. Starts now. First class.
Bindu to distribute the gifts for the winners. The winners are Lasya and Bindu.
Very good afternoon, Sister Bindu, Sister Christine, Sister Angela, respected teachers, dear students. Very good afternoon to you all. How are you all? Good. Thank you. Just give me 3 minutes here, okay? So life is so nice. Boys, nice dance, nice programs, and our anchors are doing well. I saw the boy when he was small, in the same place, after many years in the same place. So I'm not showing just about a few things. Life is beautiful, right? Our life comes from love. Love is the base of our life. Without love, none of us are here. Because two people, boys, two people loved so much. Two people became one. That gift of love is life. You and me. When I see myself, I have to see my parents' love. When you see yourself, you have to see that somebody loved truly, somebody lived truly, somebody shared truly. That's why I came into existence. My life's foundation is love. Why I say love? That remember, I am born from love, for love, to give love. So when I say love, there are always union is there. It's not one person, two people. And love is precious. Love is precious. That's why always keep in mind Say, I am precious. I am costly. I am loved. I am needed. Why even God needs us? Because it is through us He wants to live in this world. Are you getting it? It is through us God wants to live. He wants to show His love to others. It is through us. That's how we become instruments. So whenever we see ourselves, we are keep in mind that we are coming from love. Love is we are precious. When you remember that you are precious, your behavior will change. When you remember you are precious, your behavior will change. Your friendship will change. Your life will change. Your talk will change. Your walk will change. When? If you remember you are precious. If you don't remember you are precious, you will live like anything without aim. That's why we know Istaraka, when we go to functions, nowadays they are giving plates, right? You know Istaraka? When we go to functions, they give. So, when it is distributed, food is distributed, that plate, paper plate will not fly away, right? Right? So, when the paper plate is empty, any wind can take away. Small windows can take away. What is the difference between this plate that is shared, the food, the other one empty? What is the difference? One is humble. Whatever the strong wind comes, it remains. The other one, for any small wind, it flies. And it thinks it's great. It is flying, but it does not know where it will fall. It may fall somewhere in the lucky water, it may fall somewhere in the dirt. But it thinks it's flying, but its end nobody knows. But this one, people prefer this one because it can give strength to others. People appreciate it. It remains humble. So also God has given us so many gifts. Each one of you are given gifts. There is nobody who can say, I don't have talent. Everybody God has given you talents. But find out and use it for the glory of God. Find out and be humble. So that when you are humble, others can look at you and learn from you. So when you have talents, two things happen. One, you become a devil, or you become God's child. You become a devil because I can talk, I can dance, I can speak, I can study very well. I am the one. Then you don't respect others, you don't help others, and you become self-centered. I am. Remember what happens? Arms will come you. You become a devil. But the other one, he knows he has the talents, but everything that he has, he should offer to God. He should use it for the glory of God. He should use it for the value. He should use it for the friendship. Then you become a child of God. Ultimately, who has to make a choice? You have to make a choice. You have to make a choice. God creates, but choice we have to make. That's why one saying, Augustine.
We come on to one of the most joyful and memorable moments of today's precious party, the cake cutting ceremony.
Let's say some valuable words with the students.
Respected sisters, teachers, beloved senior students, and my dear freshers, a warm good afternoon to one and all. Of the new chapter in your lives. As we step into St. Joseph Junior College, you are not merely joining an institution, you are becoming part of a family that values academic excellence, discipline, compassion, integrity, and service. My dear students, the next 2 years of your intermediate education will play a vital role in shaping your future. You will face new subjects, new challenges, and greater responsibilities. To learn, grow, and become stronger. Believe in yourself, work hard, and never hesitate to seek guidance from your teachers whenever you need it. As St. Joseph's, we believe that education is not only about securing good marks, but also about building good character. We encourage you to be honest, respectful, responsible, and caring towards others. Let your actions reflect the values that make you a better human being. To our senior students, thank you for welcoming your juniors with warmth and friendship. I encourage you to be positive role models, extending kindness, support, and encouragement as they settle into college life. Dear freshers, dream big, stay focused, make wise choices, and use every opportunity to discover your talents. Participate actively in academics, sports, cultural activities, and community service. These experiences will help you become confident and well-rounded individuals. As a Catholic institution, inspired by the values of St. Joseph, it has placed all our efforts in God's loving hand. May He bless each one of you with wisdom, courage, good health, and success in all your endeavors. Once again, I warmly welcome you to St. Joseph's family. May your journey here be filled with joyful memories, meaningful friendship, valuable learning experiences, and remarkable achievements. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Heartfelt greeting to everyone. It is my proud privilege to deliver the order of thanks on this wonderful Freshers Day celebration. First and foremost, I extend my sincere gratitude to our respected principal and management for giving us the opportunity and support to organize this memorable event. My special thanks to our faculty members whose guidance and encouragement made this program truly meaningful. To all seniors, thank you for your enthusiastic participation and creating such a welcoming atmosphere for our freshers. A big appreciation to the organizing committee, volunteers, technical team and performers. Your hard work and creativity turned this day into a grand success. Finally, to our dear freshers, thank you for your cheerful presence. We hope today makes the beginning of wonderful journey filled with learning, friendship and growth. Thank you, one and all.